Rubber plants Ficus elastica are not only popular for their striking appearance, but also offer several benefits that make them a valuable addition to any indoor space. Here are some of the key benefits of rubber plants. 1. Air purification. 2. Rubber plants are excellent air purifiers. They can help remove toxins such as formaldehyde, carbon monoxide, and other volatile organic compounds (VOCs) from the air. This makes them a great choice for improving indoor air quality, which is especially important in homes and offices, where air circulation may be limited. 2. Low maintenance. 2. Rubber plants are relatively easy to care for, making them ideal for both beginner and experienced plant owners. They are tolerant of a range of light conditions, from bright indirect light to low light, and they don't require frequent watering. This low-maintenance nature allows them to thrive, even in environments where other plants might struggle. 3. Aesthetic appeal. 1. The large, glossy leaves of the rubber plant add a touch of greenery and elegance to any room. Their rich deep green color, with a hint of burgundy, makes them stand out, and they can be used as statement pieces in interior design. The plant's upright growth habit also adds vertical interest to indoor spaces. For humidity regulation, rubber plants can help maintain humidity levels in your home. As part of their natural process, they release moisture into the air, which can help combat dry indoor air, especially during winter months when heating systems are in use. 5. Stress reduction. Having plants like rubber plants around has been shown to reduce stress and improve mood. The presence of greenery can create a calming atmosphere, which is beneficial for mental well-being. The act of caring for plants, and even low-maintenance ones like the rubber plant, can also be therapeutic. 6. Durability and longevity. 6. Rubber plants are known for their hardiness and longevity. With proper care, they can live for many years, growing into large, impressive plants. This durability makes them a long-term investment in your indoor garden. 7. Adaptability. Rubber plants are adaptable to various indoor conditions. They can tolerate different temperatures, although they prefer warm, humid environments. They also adjust well to different levels of light, making them versatile for different rooms in your home. 8. Symbolic significance. In some cultures, rubber plants are believed to symbolize wealth, abundance, and happiness. This has made them popular as housewarming gifts and as plants to place in homes and businesses to attract positive energy. Care tips. Light. Bright indirect light is ideal, but they can tolerate lower light levels. Watering. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Humidity. They appreciate higher humidity, but can adapt to normal indoor levels. With temperature, keep them in a warm environment, ideally between 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. Soil. Use well-draining potting soil and repot every few years as the plant grows.